set. Now still apple, banana, or cherry, 3 elements, string value. Right. So I can print all these values, say print set. Now you can, what's the difference between the set and the tuple list? What's the syntax difference? Curly brace, that's right. Use curly brace. List, square brackets. Tuple, parentheses. Set, curly brace. Now, what is a set? So look at this here. I have a set. The syntax are different. Now, what is the set? Set is the structure, or called a data structure. In almost every language has set. So let's see the difference here. Now I put a comment here. Set. We still same as a tuple and list. It store multiple values, and with the same name, they share the name. So these are all the same as Python as a list and tuple, but in set. Set is unordered, unchangeable, unindexed. Means you cannot use there's no index number. No index number. No duplicates. You can have duplicates in tuple, in list, but set, no duplicate. No duplicate. If you say, I don't know what happened if I put a duplicate here. For example, here, I create a, like this. Notice here, when I try to do this, when I print, the last one is ignored. When I try to do this, the last one is ignored. When I try to do it, add apple to the end, I don't see apple because it doesn't allow duplicates. Function len, length tells you how many elements in the list. So ask the type of a set, calling function type. So you can always check the type. Yeah.
I must have done something wrong here because it's showing that it's tuple and it's showing it's showing average twice.
Now, did you have curly brace?
Yeah, curly brackets.
Oh, I have the curly brackets.
No, wait.
These.
That's not it. It's these.
Oh, these. Oh,
Shift and.
Oh.
You typed wrong, right?
Yes, I did. Sorry.
Same as the list and the tuple, You can always use a for loop to go through the set. Does it work for you? It works?
Yep, it worked.
Okay.
I just,
So now we can use a loop to go through the set. Still remember, list is used to store data. Tuple is used to store data. Set is used to store data. And one advantage of a set is what? No duplicates. No duplicates. Unique value. No duplicates. Tuple allow duplicates. So both tuple and the set, we say no change, but one allow duplicates, one allow unique value. So that give you option. Now here, if I want to add a value to the set, call function add. Call function add. Call function add to add a value. Call function add a value. And we'll talk about remove. So add function add a value, not append. List has function append. Set has function add. And function update. Function update, add a set to a set. Remember, set unchangeable. But what if I do want to add additional value here? You can use add. But what if I want to combine another set into the set? So you call function update to do it. And update is a very interesting function. It's called update. It's called update, but it's very interesting. Do you see the result that I have here on my screen? Do you see what I did?
It changes the order.
Now watch this. I run. You can see apple. I have apple, banana, cherry, and apple like this. Okay, I can apple, banana, cherry. That's one. And you can see apple, orange, mango. But this is the you see this one here. Now I'm going to run it again. Run it again. This is what I have here. This is what I had before. The order is different every time when you run it. That's why I say update is very interesting, and it just gives different order each time when you run it. When updated, it doesn't just add all these to the end of the set. No, it doesn't do it. You can see the order is different. This is the first time called apple, orange, mango, but here you can see cherry, pineapple, papaya, mango, orange. The order is every time you call update, give a different result. That's why I say this function is very interesting. It doesn't follow the same order. It's just randomly added in randomly. Why? Because a set is unordered. So order doesn't matter. It's unordered. It is unordered. It's unordered. And even, see right here, I'm going to take this off because it doesn't allow me to add an extra one here. Even this one, apple, banana, cherry. See, when I print it right here, so I'm going to run it here. Remember apple, banana, cherry, right? When I run it again, what do you get? Apple, banana, cherry, run it again. Cherry, apple, banana, run it again. What's wrong? You see, every time I run the program and this print out the list, I can see I got a different order. Because set is unordered. Set is unordered. So you never know who's the first one, who's the second one. You never know. It's unordered. So when we talk about a set, we're not talking about order. We don't talk about who's number one, who's number two. We say all these are in the set, unique value, unordered, unchangeable. That's set. We can add a value to the list by calling add. We can or call update. We can also remove item here by calling remove. Remove. Remove banana. So you don't see banana anymore. It's removed. It's removed. Function remove. Remove item. Code, we always type something wrong. For example, right here, I'm going to call remove again. But this time, I say remove banana, right? And now I can remove banana again. But the banana is removed already. So what if we try to remove again? Let's see what happened. Get error. You get an error. You want to remove something which doesn't exist, you get an error message like this. So it means you type something wrong because it doesn't exist. Actually, I didn't type anything wrong. I just removed something which is not there. We'll get an error message. And there's one way to get around. There's one way to get around it. So it's like this. We call it discard. Discard remove item. If the item doesn't exist, it doesn't raise the error. You see that works. You want to remove something which doesn't exist. That's okay. If it doesn't exist, then means remove nothing, but no error message. So that's discard does. Remove something which doesn't exist. That's okay. And another function here. Called clear, remove everything. Remove everything. So if I run this one here, try to remove it, everything is removed. When I print it again, nothing to print. So it just say it's a set. It is a set. nothing, no value, because everything is removed. Everything is removed. But this set, the set itself is still in the memory. No content, just everything is removed, no content, but it's still there, taken the memory. It's still there, taken the memory. So if what you say, I removed everything here, don't take the memory, just go, don't stay in the memory. Then you use a function called not this function called you say don't stay in the memory. You say delete, del, delete. Now if you print it again, watch here, not there anymore. You want to print something which doesn't exist, so get an error message there. Yeah.
So what exactly the function is meaning the clear, like for
clear content. Clear content, but it still takes the memory. It still takes the memory, the cleared content. And when I say delete, remove the variable from the memory. Doesn't take any space on it. It's really deleted. It's really gone. So when I call print again, I say, what do you want to print? I don't know this guy. It's not there anymore. I don't know this guy. So delete really removed everything from memory. Nothing stay in the memory. Delete really deleted. Clear only cleared content, but the set itself is still on the memory, still holding the space. So that's the difference here. If you have two sets, and you want to put them together, two sets that you want to put them together, you can do like this. Use a function union to put the two sets together. Function union put everything together. So this time we really combine the two sets together, but still it's unordered. And notice one thing here. This is very interesting. Very interesting thing. We say the elements in list is unordered. Means every time you run the list, the item is in different order. It's in different order because it's unordered. But the interesting thing is, letters, strings are unordered, but numbers is always ordered. 1, 2, 3 is always 1, 2, 3. They all stay together. You never see 3, 2, 1 or 2, 1, 3. It's always 1, 2, 3. The number is always in order. Strings are not in order. Characters are not in order. And all numbers always stay together. That's the thing in set. This is interesting thing in set. And you also can see I'm creating a set 3. Set 3 has A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. What if I want to maybe add set 2 into set 1? Add a set 2 into set 1. So you can do it like this. Call update. Update can insert a set into a set. update.